Happy Vlogmas Day 19. I'm getting a coffee this morning and mailing these letters, and then I'll take you through the day. This washi tape is some of my favorite. It's so cute. Ariel brought me literally all these adorable gifts. Here she is.
Happy birthday, Ellie.
Thank you. Thank you for the amazing gifts. Oh, his balloon's missing, but you guys get it. Hey guys, I think I vlogged a little bit this morning, but I'm gonna vlog this afternoon and tonight. We're going to our friend's house for dinner, and then I'm gonna maybe do some chores, which I'm not gonna show. And then I also will wrap some gifts, open the advent calendar. I'll show you what I'm wrapping tonight because I'm giving them to some friends tomorrow. So the vlog will not be up yet, so I can do that. And then we'll see what else happens. We got a poster in for our wedding that I made on Zazzle. And I used like a little image that an artist made for us. And it looks good. So I might show you that, but I also might not. So if you don't see it, don't be surprised. But yeah, let's get this afternoon going. Here's the only clue that I'll provide. I know, it's a boring clue. All right, we're gonna start by wrapping up Emma's gift. I got her this body cream that I showed you a few vlogs ago that I also ordered for myself at the time. And I actually really love it. I got her Vanilla Verve, so that's the first thing. And then I also, this is like for her and Austin for their treat. It's a little Jellycat bear. I know she wanted one of these puffy eyeglass holders, so I went with this plaid pattern because I know she likes like gingham and plaid, so hopefully she'll like this one. And then I got her these stickers. She's a fellow stationery lover, and I thought these were just so cute, so I grabbed these for her. They're so cute. And then lastly is a perfume oil from Cycler. So she mentioned when I tried this, so I got her that as well. So hopefully this will all look cute. And then I have an ornament, another ornament, randomly, and a little Snoopy bobblehead that I need to go find, because where did I put those? Because those are for her and Austin too. So I'll probably wrap all like the combined gifts in there and then her gifts in another. All right, here's the Snoopy. I saw this at Jewel and thought they'd appreciate it because I know they both like Snoopy as well. And you already know I have one right here. All right, and this is the other ornament. I thought it'd just be a cute little add-on to the gift, maybe on the top of the gift. I don't know. This I got in Denver at that shop I mentioned a few Vlogmas episodes ago. The woman who owns the store made this. And it's cute. It's a perfect little snowman. So here's the overview. And like I said, I'll probably wrap these Christmas items together and then these other cute items separately. All right, why do I have a reflection? Oh, it might be from this. This will be my wrapping station for today. Let's wrap these gifts up. Snoopy, Bartholomew, glasses case, Vanilla Verve. This is body cream, perfume oil, and an adorable sticker sheet. Oh, snowman ornament. Okay, the perfume oil has been wrapped. That's pretty cute. Maybe I should just wrap everything, except I don't know how I'm gonna wrap the stickers. I mean, I could, but that seems kind of dumb. Do I have any boxes? Let me go look. Okay, I found this box that had a vinyl in it, and I'm gonna use this for the stickers, which is maybe a little bit random, but it'll have to do because I definitely wanna wrap everything because it's cute that way, and they fit perfectly, so we'll use this. And I'm probably gonna wrap everything like off camera, just because it's not gonna be that exciting, and clearly it's taking me forever to make decisions. So we're gonna use this for the stickers. Wrapping was a success. I actually love this cookie paper. I think I'm gonna wrap Connor's dad's gift, and that will be the end of my wrapping tonight. I wanna show you what I got him, but it feels too risky to put it in the vlog, so I'm not going to. Let's do the advent calendar before I forget. I feel like I already did it, but I haven't. All right, we're on day 5. So let's see what it brings us. All right. I'm not gonna bring up that the packaging is red again because I've done that every day. But here it is. Let's open it up. All right. What do we think it's going to be? I bet it'll be green. Ooh, it's a flower again. Let's see. I'll do a better clip on the other side. There we go. Rose. That's cute. Still not my favorite. The candy is still the best one of the set. The lighting in here is very yellow. I'm sorry. I should have filmed this during the daylight hours, but here's today's. In case you forgot, here's day 1, the French Bulldog. Day 2, the candy. Day 3, sunflower. Sunflower took a tumble while I was pulling out Fawn. And Fawn was day 4. And now we have day 5. Let me know what your favorite is so far. I'm still gonna go with candy.
But they ate 6.
Who is it? The sloth! Hello! Does it have a chair? What is it?
Oh, the little
The
dog.
dog!